watcher and subscribers. Now here in this tutorial we will see how we can delete record as well as how we can drop the table from your database. So first I show you here the information that we are having in the table. So this is what roll number and these are the name. So I want to remove here particular record. So here you have to press delete command. So our delete command you have to use here delete from, and our table name was S. So delete from S where you have to use condition where roll number table means first column name was roll number and second was name. So delete from S where roll number equal to 1. So that particular record will be deleted. And we have to use one more method here, that is here we use the object MyDB, and by using that we have produced connectivity with the database. So now here we will use MyDB dot commit method. So in this way our particular row will be deleted. You will not get any output because we are using only delete command. So our record number 1 is deleted. Same way you can delete the name also. So here in place of 1 you have to use name value. So in my table there was a name Raj, so I would like to delete this. So we will press this command and again you will not get any output, but that particular record got deleted. So we deleted 2 record, and now we will check the output by using select command. So we will write here select star from S. And now here we don't need here commit command, and now here you will be able to see only one row, that is one record in the table, that is record number 3 Manoj. Now here dear student, we want to drop that complete table, so you have to use here drop command, drop table S. So this table will be dropped. So there will be no table now. And finally again if you are going to get the table, then definitely we will use select command here, select star from S. Now it is interesting whether table is visible or not, and there will be error message yes doesn't exist because we already dropped that table, so that table will not be available for you. So in this way you can use delete and drop command. Delete is used for deleting particular record. Along with that we use commit method, and here the drop is used for deleting entire table from the database. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.